Alright, so for training power part 3, we're going to take a dive into power circuiting. If you haven't seen the lighting circuiting video that we've done, I would highly suggest you go see that one first. It's going to have a lot of the same concepts, and basically we're just doing the same thing for a different discipline. So we're going to get started and head into a typical room that I've already set up. As you can see from the rooms that are around this one, they've already been circuited. Their circuit numbers have been filled out. You'll see 379 is around us, and then question marks for the rooms that we're going to, or for our room right here, that we're going to change so that it has its circuit indicated as well. The first thing that you're going to want to have to do is select a receptacle that is yet to be circuited, and you can always tell that based on a question mark next to the device. Once you have the device selected, you'll notice at the top ribbon that the Modify/Electrical Fixtures has been highlighted, and under that tab there is a power key. If I go ahead and hover over that power key, you'll see that there is a hotkey, PO. We've talked about these hotkeys multiple times, but you could simply press PO right now and it would allow your circuit to happen right away without actually having to hit this particular button on the ribbon. I'm going to go ahead and click that right now. Once you click that power button, it'll give you a couple of other options. Mainly, it's going to ask you which panel you want the circuit to go to. At this point, you can use the drop down or the select panel icon and navigate to your panel within the model, click on it, and then the power circuit will go to the next available slot in that panel. We're going to go ahead and do that real quick, and we'll select NLP-21, and you'll see that my circuit will go to number 5 because that is the next one available in that particular panel. From this point, you can use the Edit Circuit feature, which is also underneath that tab up above that's highlighted, and you can start adding to the circuit or removing from the circuit as you like. Once again, the hotkeys to add are AD, to remove from circuit it's RF, and to choose a different panel it is PL. Once again, these are all hotkeys that I've created in my particular shortcut master list so that I can navigate these little segments a little bit faster. If you want them, please come and ask and we can provide those to you. Or you can also edit your hotkeys as you please under View, and then you can go to User Interface, and then Keyboard Shortcuts. If you are going to edit these keyboard shortcuts, I highly recommend that you make sure that any of the keys that you're going to place on there are not already used in a different way in Revit. If you do have any questions about this, please come ask someone who knows about keyboard shortcuts, and they will help you out to make sure that you get exactly what you want done. I'm going to go ahead here and quickly backtrack to the circuit, finish it off here, and select all the devices that I would like on that circuit. And from here, we'll talk about adding the home run, as well as using home runs that are already here to, tag along. You can use one home run for multiple circuits, which is a nice feature of Revit. So once again, if you don't have a home run started already that you would like to use, you can go to the Systems tab and hit Wire. The hotkey for this is EW, which I believe is a Revit default, and you can begin drawing in your home run. Once you have your home run drawn, you can tag it and you're good to go. At this point, I just want to point out that you can use one home run for multiple circuits, and in order to do this, you have to go to your power circuiting plans. The power circuiting plans are very much a working view for us, and they're nothing that ever goes on to an actual sheet for issuing. They're very much just a behind-the-scenes working view for us. So I'm going to go ahead and go to a power circuiting plan, and I'm going to show you that if I use another wire and connect it on this floor plan to a receptacle from a different circuit that already has a home run, that it will populate another circuit under that home run tag. I'm going to just quickly go ahead and show you an example of this with the circuit that we've got set up. And once I draw a new wire using EW, we can go back to our power plan, and you'll see there that number 5 has been added into the home run for circuits 1, 3, 5 under the NLP-21 tag that you see here. I'm about at 5 minutes, so I'm going to go ahead and cut off the rest of this video. Thank you again for watching, and we'll pick up some more power topics in the next video.